Shavy FS Hub. Let's look at Solana. Our last chart on Solana on weekly jumped our analysis, but a closer look at so we can make correction. This is for educational purpose. Don't take it personal. Sometimes you can make one or two mistakes. Sometimes. So after looking at the structure, we find out what's the issue, and we're here to correct the mistake to last analysis, and I know exactly what Sol is about to do. And I'm looking at the structure here. I can tell you what Sol wants to do. But first of all, let us start from the floor. From the floor, then we get to the roof. I also want to see breakout structure dating back 2021, and that will give me a clue as to where Sol is going to. I need to find the floor. So this is a floor, ladies and gentlemen, for Sol after breakout structure, and we're going to throw light on it and come to quick intro into why this becomes a very important area for soul holders. So let's see. Here we have at this level we have here resistance structure, break of a resistance structure, break test, weekly candle retest, upswing, price returns on retest. After a break of a supply roof becomes a demand floor. Break of a demand floor, price returns on retest. And retested again. Break of a supply roof, price returns on supply. On demand. So technically all this became demand floor, foundation for optic. So at all this level, it becomes a new demand floor. So for every time price dips into this layer, it's a buy for sold. You can see the structure. So what we do is we clone it and see what this gives us in the future. I want to clone this trend angle and see where it takes us in the future. As we move, we have here another breakout structure. You see this level, another strong breakout structure at this level. What breakout structure do we have? We have here demand floor and price return here respected the demand floor before the break of the demand floor price came here on the list. And we have a heavy bullish candle breakout of structure. What structure was broken? The supply roof, and we have this level tested and price return again both from that level before breakout structure. What structure was broken? Demand floor. Price returns here on demand, on supply. After break of the demand floor, price returns here on supply, returns here on supply. We'll have another heavy bullish candle break of the supply roof, price returns on demand, buys. Price returns here are respective, and now Sol is returning here for retest. So the question now is, will it break this level? So let's look at other pending evidence against Sol that 202.48 must be touched. So at 202.48, buyers will have to test their fate at that level. If buyers break that level, believe it or not, Sol will continue to surge. But if they fail, weekly candle fail to break above that level, then it's a sell because they've already broken the demand floor. The 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-week consolidated roof. This is a 4-week consolidated roof. Price broke that structure, respected it and bought. And when price returned in the month of December, it respected the structure and rejected. When price got to 202.48, it rejected it. Buying took place up to 223.00. And lastly, we came down and broke the structure. Now, the broken demand floor is most likely to become a supply roof. But we cannot be 100% sure that price will retrieve from here until the weekly close. So we need to see how the weekly candle closes. If the weekly candle closes below this line, then we begin to sell down. But I think what will happen in Sol will continue to surge. Sol will continue to surge until we we get to this level. This is a very strong level. Funny enough, it's a very strong price action level. Very strong. Very strong level. So if Sol manage to break this level, it will be a beginning of a new rally for Sol holders. be a beginning of a new rally. And if that is the beginning of a new rally, if they have all it takes to do that, then I think so will now jump and come to this price action. This where we have we come here to retest this week and see how price have retested the week. See the week if we buy with another same week where price will come and reacted and so then after the reconstruction, we see how price return to that level and tested it. So the buy and see the presence of swoop here after breaker structure. Price came here at test 1 and came here at test 2. So most likely, if price managed to break this structure, be very careful with it. Watch it. Watch this level 203.18. If price break 203.18, then Sol is going to go back into 275 zone. It is 100% certain what the market will do. So, but here we have a very strong consolidated roof, a strong supply roof. The supply roof is at 203.18. So we want to see price weekly candle break below or break above. So at the end of the weekly candle closing below 203 is continuous sell because we're already under heavy bearish impulse. And you can see the heavy bearish impulse when price broke out from this structure. Look at the sell magnitude. So if we return to the level where price is selling, we are most likely going to have a long day of sell-off. We're going to have a long day of sell-off. Look at what price has done from the right and look at what it will do in the present. So it's all about sentiment. But graphically, you can tell what is the sentiment of traders from the structure of the market. So we want to see how the weekly candle, if you look here, you can see a strong rejection candle in Monday, 09, 2024 to this level. There's a strong rejection at 203.18 and most likely when price returns there, it will respect it. After having 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 consolidated roofs, every time price gets to 203, reject. Buys to 203, reject. Sells to 203, reject. So it's possible that price will come here and respect this structure. However, a breakout from this structure opens the way for so buyers to go long. So if they break out from here, weekly candle close, then they have no option to retest, then go up 264. And most likely, when they get here, they might break this structure and print higher. Or when price gets here, it will be a retest and they come down. Yes, this is what it means. So it's a two-case scenario here. There is room for uptick. There is heavy room for uptick where we have opportunity to break the previous high. This is the trend angle, whether you like it or not. This is a new trend angle for Sol. It's a new trend angle for Sol. So it is what it is. And if we look at it again, we will see another break of structure at this level. It see price break up from the structure. You can see price break up from the structure. We have here as a demand floor, demand floor, demand floor. Break up the demand floor, retest 1. And when price returned here, it respected the supply roof. When price broke up from the demand floor, it becomes a supply roof. And when price returned here, it respected the supply roof again. Break of the supply roof, price returns here on demand. Come on. You see what price is doing there. So we also look at it again from another perspective to see if we can find another structure where that buyers have kept themselves going. Let's see if we can find a breaker structure at this level. We also have another breaker structure here, and this has kept buyers. So it's more like another beautiful floor where you can see price. After a breakout from the structure, price came here and test. Breakout of the supply roof, price is coming in demand. So technically, every time price touches here, it's a buy. The last time it touched here was 108 upswing. So let's see. Sol is still very much bullish, and the sentiment behind Sol is very much bullish, and you can see from the price action is evident. So I think we come closer to a more accurate chart on Sol. This come more accurate to, and also look at a breakout again from this area where we find the price have rallied, and we have a breakout structure at this level where we have by way of ascending trend line breakout. We have here is a demand floor. Here is a demand floor. Breakout of the demand floor. Price comes on retest. Again on retest. So what this means technically that Sol have a long way to go. If the rally kicks off, you could see Sol in the zone of 400 with something more like that. So structurally, let's abide by the rule of the game, structure by structure, layer by layer, no assumption. So for every break of structure, to the upside, we need to go long. Breakdown of structure, that is the break of the demand floor, we need to go short. So in this case, you will not try to dictate the market when you're not in the position. So this is the structure we have. If you look at it, you see clearly the price. So this is what we see, and we think this might continue. And this buying on Sol was from this price action from this level, where we have look critically, you will see price on a break and retest, breakout from a descending trend line. And our last trade, we made some mistake from that, and we didn't pick. We picked our retest from here. So if we had picked that retest from here, we would have caught this trade. So this is a breakout from a contracting triangle where price has a very nice chart pattern here. We have, and you can see how price have broken out in the structure, and so may likely continue to swing up based on the chart pattern we have here. You can see the structure. So that's broken out from that structure. Very nice structure, very nice and beautiful structure. Very beautiful. You can see it. After price creating here, we have here a supply roof. 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 Break up a supply roof by everything on demand for upswing. So most likely, so might continue to grow. So if you had entered at 174, where Sol have found support, you have traded market structure like a professional, Sniper entry is 174.31. Only market structure specialists can catch that trade. If you are not trading market structure, there's no way you're going to catch it because you are trading market structure in combination with chart pattern and special candle formation. Now here I have a couple of candle rejections which I'm looking at, and you see this price as a rejection at 203.14. So 174.31 has become a foundation for optic, and its fate will be tested on 203. So I want to see what happens at 203. At 203, then we'll see what buyers can do. If they manage to break that level, then it's a complete moon journey. So it will go moon, break and close weekly candle above 203. So this is what we see for Sol. We make correction from our previous post. We don't delete post. We never delete any post in this place. It's for educational purpose.